Hey everybody, it's Dr. Angelchik. Just want to let you know we're thinking about you. The office is open. We are doing virtual consults and follow-up visits for patients through our patient app. That's part of SimPlast, which is our electronic medical record. If you haven't downloaded that, you can call the office and they can explain how to get it. It works well, it's HIPAA compliant, and you can communicate with us that way. If you have a medical issue pertaining to a procedure that was done, we will see you in the office if necessary. We don't know quite yet when we're going to be allowed to resume business as usual. Of course, business as usual in the face of the pandemic may look a little bit different, but as soon as we get guidance from the government and public health officials, you'll be the first to know. There are some signs in some of the worst spots like New York City that things are actually improving. It's probably going to look like it's getting worse before it gets better around the country. We are not going to turn into New York City here in the Valley. It's just a totally different environment. And we are going to get through this. There are a lot of smart people working on solutions and vaccines, medications, testing. So we're going to get through this. This is kind of our Pearl Harbor moment, if you will, at this time. So I want to make sure you stay safe, you're washing your hands, you're social distancing, but get out of the house, do a little exercise. That helps clear the mind also. And I hope you have a happy Easter and a happy Passover, given the circumstances. It's important. Times like this, we kind of figure out what's really important and what's really not. So maybe something good will come out of that. In any event, if you need us, we're here. We miss you guys. I know I speak for the staff when I say that, and we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.